Today's thought: a parrot talks too much but can't fly high. But an eagle is silent and has the ability to touch the sky. Be an eagle and fly high. Now let's see this second part of the poem, Our Casuarina Tree. But not because of its magnificence, dear is the casuarina to my soul. Beneath it we have played, though years may roll. O sweet companions, loved with love intense, for your shakes shall the tree be ever dear. Blend with your images, it shall arise in memory till the hot tears blind mine eyes. What is that dirge like murmur that I hear? Dirge means a piece of song or sound is called dirge, and murmur means to say something in low voice is called murmur, meaning in Tamil munu munukurathu. Like the sea breaking on a shingle beach. Shingle means rocky beach. It is the tree's lament, an eerie speech. Lament means expression of sadness for somebody who has died or for something that has ended. And eerie means strange, that happily to the unknown land may reach. Now the poetess says the tree casuarina looks magnificent. That's why it's not near or dear to my soul. Magnificence means gambiram. Beneath it we have played, though years may roll. O sweet companions, loved with love intense, for your shakes shall the tree be ever dear. Blent with your images, it shall arise. Now the poetess says that we have played under the tree casuarina even after crossing many years. This tree will be lovable for me. When I am thinking about you, I will get the memory of the tree casuarina also. Next, in memory till the hot tears blind my eyes. What is that dirge like murmur that I hear? Like the sea breaking on a shingle beach. Shingle means rocky. And she says that this tree will be in my memory till the memory of my friends hide my eyes by tears. She could hear some sound and she thought that what sound was that? I can hear the sound like a mooring song. Mooring means sad song. Mooring song sound, and also the sound was like a sea breaking on a rocky beach. It is the tree's lament, an eerie speech that aptly to the unknown land may reach. Eerie means strange. But the poetess says that this actual sound was the lament of the tree. Lament means mooring, and this sound reaches everywhere and also to the unknown. Next paragraph, unknown, it will known to the eye of faith. I have heard that wail, far away. Wail means to cry or complain in a loud, especially because you are sad or in pain. In distant lands, by many a sheltered bay, when slumbered in his cave, cave means den, the water writhed, and the waves gently kissed the classic shore of France or Italy beneath the moon, when earth lay tranced Tranced means dreamy condition or hypnotist, meaning in Tamil Vasiyam. Tranced in a dreamless wound. Wound means weakness. And every time the music rose before mine inner vision, rose a form sublime. Sublime means glorious. Thy form. Thy means your. O tree as in my happy prime. Prime means starting. I saw thee in my own loud native clime. Native means birthplace. Unknown yet well known to the eye of faith. Ah, I have heard that wail far, far away. And the poetess says that she could hear the sad voice of the tree even when was far away from the tree. In distant land, by many a sheltered bay, when slumbered means sleep, in his cave, the water writhe. Writhe means apparition. And the waves gently kissed the classic shore of France or Italy beneath the moon, when earth lay tranced in a dreamless swoon. And every time the music rose before. Meaning of these lines, even in the places of distant land, sheltered bay, and slumbered in his cave in water writhe, and a wave gently kissed the shore of France or Italy, and beneath the moon, when the earth lay tranced in a dreamless swoon, sound is able to hear heavily by the poetess. Mine inner vision rose a form sublime. Thy form, O tree, as in my happy prime. I saw thee in my own loud native clime. Now the poetess imagines the tree like a magnificent. Magnificence means Gambiram. And she says that I saw the tree in my native place in happy manner. Next paragraph. Therefore I fain means eagerly, would consecrate a lay. Consecrate a lay means consecrate means to officially make something holy. Lay means amateur. Amateur means one who engages in an art, science study or athletic activity as a pastime rather than as a profession is called amateur. Unto the honor to be beloved of those who know in blessed sleep, for I repose dearer than life to me. Alas, were they mized, though be numbered when my days are done, with the deathless trees like those in Barodale. Barodale means a valley in the English Lake District. It is located in the old country of Westmoreland, under whose artful branches lingered pale. Lingered means to stay somewhere or do something for a longer than usual. Fear, trembling, hope and death, the skeleton and time, the shadow, and though weak, the voice that could they beauty feign. How fain rehearse. Rehearse means repeat. Rehearse means repeat. May love defend thee from oblivion's curse. Oblivion means a state of forgetfulness. Oblivion, a state of forgetfulness. Curse. Curse means sabam. Therefore, I fain would consecrate a lay unto the honor tree beloved of those who now in blessed sleep for a repose. Repose means state of rest. Now the poetess says that she will make the tree holiness even when she is near to die. Next line, dearer than a life to me, alas, were they. Mightst thou be numbered when my days are done, with deathless trees like those in Borrowdale, under whose artful branches lingered pale. Now she says that the tree in the Borrowdale will be immortalized. Immortalized means to give lasting fame to somebody or something is called immortalized. Now she says that the tree in the Borrowdale will be immortalized and that the tree will be considered one among the trees in Borrowdale, and feelings are buried under branches of the tree casuarina, says the poetess. Fear, trembling hope, and death the skeleton, and time the shadow, and though weak the verse, that could they beauty find. How fine rehearse may love defend thee from oblivion's curse. Now the poetess says that even if the shadow of fear, shivering, death, skeleton, and the time was there, the weak song will be keep on singing the beauty of you, and may the love save you from the oblivion curse. The poetess loves the tree casuarina very much, so she describes about the tree casuarina through this poem.